Hi there, it's Deanna here from Voicehouse, and myself and the Voicehouse team are very excited to meet you in your introductory session. We know that signing up for something new can be a lot of information, and the last thing you want is any surprises. So here is everything you need to know before enrolling with Voicehouse. There are 3 different types of membership packages we offer should you decide to enroll. Our most cost-effective membership option is our starter package, and this starts from just $45 a week. It is perfect for those singers who want the same lesson time every week with the same coach. Our memberships work on a 4-week payment cycle, and there are absolutely no lock-in contracts. We also offer a 3-month membership package for those who prefer to pay in full, and we offer discounted lessons for those who can come during the day before 5 p.m. with our off-peak memberships. Last but not least, we also have our casual session membership options, where you can book and pay online as you go. And they're perfect for those who want an irregular lesson time and don't mind which day or which coach. It's suitable to you depending on your schedule. You'll have peace of mind knowing that all of our lessons have the same inclusions. All you need to do is click on the link below to have a look at our price list before you come in studio, and then reach out to us should you have any questions. We look forward to meeting you soon.